And your camera is still standing.
Yes!
Nice.
Dude!
That sounded like a cannon.
It did. Dude, the ground is smoking.
There's nothing left. There's nothing left of that area that I carved out.
Dude.
Yeah, there's nothing left of the area I carved out. It's just gone.
Beautiful.
I think it could take down a bigger tree.
I think it could too. All right, where?